Alright, hello guys. Had another company send me a flashlight to do a review on. What we've got here is a T28 Artemis by Brinyte. Comes with a 5-year warranty. This thing reaches up to 650 plus lumens. That's a max output. Max run time is 135 minutes. Beam distance will reach out to 525 meters. And peak beam intensity, I don't even know what that means, but it's FL1 standard, 69600 plus CD, and then it's got a impact resistance of 1 meter. So if you drop it, it is made out of the same aircraft aluminum of these other lights we've been featuring. Guys, it's powered by a 21700 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's got a rotating head to zoom in and out. It's got the stepless tail dimmer on the switch where you can adjust the brightness. And it's got the threaded lens. It's got an overcharge protection, overheat protection on the battery when you're charging it. And it's also got reverse polarity protection if you put the battery in wrong. Guys, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. I have had this light out, guys. I've been using it for about a week now that I've had it. Just kind of doing some little testing on it. Box it comes in, it's got a magnetic pouch. Took me a minute to figure that out the first time I opened it. Open it up, guys. Got a little instruction manual here. And this light does switch between different colors. I believe you can pick 3 different colors that you want. This one's set up for white, green, and red LED. Guys, it is a heavy duty light, just like the other ones. It's pretty light. It's made out of the aircraft aluminum, pretty sturdy. There's the light itself. It's got the pressure switch on the back, and then it's also got the dimming switch where you can turn it and dim it. And then it's got the zoomable head on it. Open it up, the accessories that come with this light. Guys, it comes with a pressure switch if you want to weapons mount it, and the switch does have the dimming and brighten capabilities as well as on and off. It's like that last light that we've done. We've got a little lanyard here if you want to attach it to the back of this light, hanging lanyard. Comes with a rechargeable cable, guys, and I believe, I don't know what you call this, but it's a popular one. I like it because it's universal. My cell phone uses it. Several different electronics that I have use this same charger. And then you got extra set of O-rings in case you end up cutting one of those. The battery, guys, it's a little bit bigger than those other batteries we've been using. It's a 5,000 mega amp. USB is a C-type rechargeable cable. Guys, in this battery, the cable actually hooks straight to the battery to charge it. This is my first time of seeing this. I like it. It's just one less piece of equipment. So instead of having these chargers like the other lights come with, you just gotta keep up with your charger and your battery. You don't have to keep up with that base plate for those other battery chargers. So that's definitely a plus on this light. This thing is weapons mountable, guys, but it does not come with the, must be an added cost if you want the weapons mount platforms put on your weapons. I'll put this battery in here real quick. Just like those other lights. As you got your switch to your different color switch right here on top of the light. It's kind of a bigger switch. I can see where that possibly might accidentally get hit in the heat of the moment. Then you've got just your push button to turn it on and off here. Guys, right here on top, you zoom in and out to make a flood beam or a tight beam, and then it's just a simple flip of the switch to change the colors on it. One other thing, guys, that I'm not just too crazy about this light, you just basically, you got your dimmer switch here. You can turn it all the way down to off, or you can turn it all the way up to bright just by turning that. Push the button to turn it off. Now, a couple of things that I don't like about this light is to turn it on, it's not just a simple push, it's a push and hold. So you've got a 1, 2, 3, about a 3-second delay before that flashlight comes on. I'm not too fond of that. Another thing, right here in the back of that light, you can see, guys, there's a little green light and on the back end of that, on that casing. When you're out in the pitch dark working, your eyes are adjusted to that pitch dark, and then you turn that light on. You want to be focused out in front of you, in this light, it seems like this light would distract, pull a little bit away from you being behind that. Just a little bit of a distraction I'm not too fond of. But overall, guys, this is a another well-built light platform if you're interested. They do have an Amazon. Go look them up, the T28 Artemis. Another well-built, put-together light, guys.